I'm Rosemary Varley. I'm Professor of Acquired Language Disorders in Psychology and Language Sciences here at UCL.
I'm Vito Zimmerer. I'm a postdoctorate research assistant at the Department of Language and Communication here at UCL.
My research group, of which Vito is a member, is focused on studying the nature of grammatical cognition. Let's imagine an early human who needs to warn her social group of a threat. She might label the threat saying, bear, but maybe she has the capacity to say, I saw a bear in the forest yesterday. This way of combining information is called grammar. Notice that this combinatorial ability endows adaptive advantages. The threat, its location, and temporal information are integrated into a single statement. We're interested in studying grammatical ability and the role that grammar might play in human thought. We study the behaviour of healthy people and also cases where language breaks down, as in dementia, schizophrenia, and language disorders that can follow stroke illness, such as aphasia. Aphasia can occur after damage to the left hemisphere of the brain. In severe cases of agrammatic aphasia, people are okay in producing and understanding single words, but when presented with a sentence such as the bird eats the snake, they're unable to determine who did what to whom. Language impairments of this nature have profound effects on an individual's life, their well-being and ability to participate in work, education and family life. But despite these difficulties with sentences, our research shows that they are able to understand and build structure in mathematics and make complex inferences into the thoughts of another person, something we call theory of mind. Our experiments show that in the mature adult brain, grammatical capacities appear unnecessary for thought.
We also want to know how grammar is processed. Many researchers focus on what we call recursion, which is the ability to take a chunk of information and nest it within another, creating a more complex structure. So we can take a sentence like Suzanne likes George and nest it within another sentence, John thinks that Suzanne likes George. Recursion is important, but so are other types of processing, such as associative learning. Take the sentence, I don't know, which is perhaps the most frequent sentence in the English language. These words are so strongly associated with another that they are likely retrieved and processed as a single unit and not as a combination. And these types of unit remain intact even in a severely pathological brain.
We think that these insights lead to new models of grammar and thought, and opportunities for innovation in the understanding and development of new therapies for language disorders.